Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I want to take a look into Robinhood's 24/5 trading. So that's 24 hours, 5 days a week, so Monday through Friday, on certain stocks and ETFs. So we're going to take a look at that today, and then also how you actually trade on Robinhood, okay? Because some people don't use Robinhood, but this may be something that brings them over to Robinhood. So we'll take a look at that as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so you guys can see that I am on the official Robinhood website here where they kind of talk about this 24-hour trading 5 days a week. So you can see it up here, the official website. But they kind of go into what the 24-hour market is going to look like. And something that's really important to note is that the 24-hour market is going to be to buy whole shares, okay? And it says whole shares of the 43 most traded ETFs and individual stocks, such as Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, okay? So this would exclude the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, just like the normal stock market does. But this is supposed to be accessible for any kind of schedule. We can see that's going to start at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. So it really is 24 hours a day, pretty much Sunday through Friday, or late Sunday through Friday. So it is going to be designed to fit everybody's needs, whether you're working a night shift and you don't have time to trade. I mean, I know a lot of people, I'm in the central time zone, I don't always have time to trade throughout the day or to keep up with it. I'm pretty much reacting to news after it happens. So this is supposed to make it more accessible for everyone to be able to react to news that comes out and actually trade whenever they can. So you can kind of see here through this little diagram, it shows what the overnight trading kind of looks like. It turns it kind of blue right here, and it'll have this little symbol. It says overnight. So you can see that when you trade overnight trading, it is differentiated by this nice, cool blue color. So again, this is supposed to be so people can react to the real time. It's kind of hard to see, but if we try to zoom in here, you can kind of see that, again, you're going to have the overnight trading. Kind of differentiated from regular trading because of this blue hue that is to it, kind of blue hue right here. You can see it says overnight versus just a regular green trade, right? So how do you actually do this, right? So this is what people want to know. So it's going to be differentiated, again, through that kind of blue color that we saw. But it's going to allow people to trade these stocks. And I'll show you how to do this in 1 second, or at least how I think you should be able to do it. But basically, you're going to pick a stock, say you pick Apple, you're going to name your price, right? So what is the maximum price that you would pay for that stock, right? What's the maximum price you would pay for Apple, or what is the minimum price you would sell it for, right? So you input that, you set your trading hours, so like when do you want it to be traded or executed, within what time window, and then you select the number of shares. Again, this needs to be in whole shares. They'll only sell or buy in whole shares during extended or 24-hour trading. So again, it's supposed to revolutionize the game, right? So again, it's 24 hours a day. Some people have already actually gotten access to this. I was not lucky enough to get access to this, but some people have, and it says it is going to be available to everyone in June. So we don't have to wait too long from when this video is being made. But let's go ahead and jump over to Robinhood right now. So you can see my portfolio right here. I've gotten some bad investments, down a lot of money on certain stocks, not so much money on other stocks, whatever, right? But how does this work? So again, I feel like they haven't said everything, but I feel like it's going to be kind of the 100 most popular stocks, right, on Robinhood. So we can click on this little thing. Once you log in, it says the 100 most popular stocks that are trading right now. You can kind of see the ones I own right here, really good stocks. But say like, Apple is already one that's confirmed for this overnight trading. So say I want to trade Apple, right? Well, right now, I can't, but let's say it's Monday at 2 a.m. instead of Saturday at 4 o'clock p.m., right? So say it's Monday at 2 a.m. and I want to trade Apple. Well, it should allow me to buy or sell Apple, right? So I can put in a limited buy. So say I want to buy like 5 shares of Apple. I should be able to do that. I'll set the price on what I want to do it at. It'll give me the cost or the maximum price I'm willing to spend on each share. And then it should have that blue after hours trading button, probably around here, I would imagine, right? So it should have that there, and then you'd be able to execute that order and actually buy the share, okay? So this can be very beneficial for people that can react to to news or people that stay up late or not always available during the regular market hours. One of the things I kind of see a problem with this is going to be this idea of, hey, what happens if I'm sleeping at 3 a.m.? There's some breaking news on Apple and the stock goes plummeting, right? That would kind of suck because at least, in the regular market conditions, I would hopefully not be able to sell it all the way at the bottom. Maybe I could sell it like in between the bottom space, right? During a regular market, depending on when I actually got into it and actually was able to sell it. So that could be a problem for some people, if there really is this 24/5 kind of cycle for these stocks, right? But again, I assume it's going to be kind of the most popular ones on this list right here. So, you have like Ford, AMC, JP Morgan, PayPal. But anyway, so that is how I believe they're going to implement this and how it's going to work. But I'll make a new video once this actually releases, kind of showing it and showing how it actually works. We can only guesstimate right now, but this is a very revolutionary idea that I could see being very big. I know a lot of European markets already do this, where they have 24-hour trading, but this is the first kind of U.S. market 24-hour trading that isn't future contracts, right? So these are actual stocks instead of future contracts. Alright, and that is how you trade on Robinhood and kind of this new idea that they're fixing to launch of 24/5 trading. So I'm super excited for it. I love Robinhood. It's what I use. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode for a portfolio update.